Okay, Nothing audio lineup including many devices, Nothing R1, R6, R2, and now it is about to expand with two new models, the premium Nothing Air and the mid-range Nothing Air A, which launched set on April 18. If you are wondering where the numbers went within the names, Nothing has decided to eliminate any numerical reference from the name of its new audio device and simply call Nothing Air and Nothing Air A. In any case, it's not clear what they call the subsequent models starting from next year. Perhaps we'll have add the years of in the name, or we'll use our letter B, C, D, bah, I don't know. However, even if Nothing will reveal its new product just this week, even if we didn't notice that the Nothing Air A was already showing itself on a video titled Nothing 2A revealed to our biggest fan by Nothing. But enough chatter. Now we need to talk about the many interesting new things about the Nothing Air and Nothing Air A. The upcoming Nothing Air and Nothing Air 2 are virtually identical to each other and are not dissimilar to the design of a currently Nothing Air 2 model. The design of Nothing Buds and its case is both elegant and functional, in continuity with the style of our product. It's clear that the design has been carefully thought and curated, resulting in two products with a premium looks and feel. The case is designed to protect your earphone from damage that can withstand daily wear and tear. They have a transparent design that allows to see your earphone inside, giving them a signature Nothing look. In any case, the keys are compact and lightweight, which makes them easy to transport. What changes is the shape. The Nothing Air charging case maintains our shape with a rounded corner already seen in Nothing Air 2 models. Contrary-wise, the Nothing Air A case is completely new. It has a rectangular form factor with a rounded corner and edges. When you look at it, it reminds you of the line of a pillow. All two cases can be charged via a USB-C port located on the back and also support wireless charging. And then there are the earbuds. These are just as impressive as the charging case themselves. They have a minimalist look with glossy finishes and a small steam extender from the earbud. These latter are designed to fit comfortably in the ear with a snug fit that ensure they won't fall out during the use. They also comes with a different sized air tips S, M and L to accommodate different air sizes. Both models have many colorways. The Nothing Air of the classic opposite color, black and white. Instead, the little sister Nothing Air A have three finishes. Here too the classic black and white, and then there is this, an extra new finish, my favorite, yellow like a baby. The new Nothing Air Bud boasts an impressive set of specifications. In terms of durability, we don't have to worry. The Nothing Air Bud are rated IP54 for water resistance, while its case is rated IPX2. Instead, the Nothing Air A are rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, and its case is rated IP55. Its new Nothing Air comes with a dual device connection, meaning we can easily switch between laptop and phone without wasting time. With the new Nothing Air as its predecessor and its cousin of CMF, we can say goodbye to background noise thanks to the active noise cancellation, or simply ANC. What about battery life? The Nothing Air with active noise cancellation turned off delivers up to 7.5 hours of playback and a total of 33 hours with a charging case, and with quick charge capabilities, in just 10 minutes of charging we'll have 10 hours of playback. On the contrary, the Nothing Air A with active noise cancellation turned off, we can enjoy up to 8 hours of playback. and a total of 39 hours with a charging case. Also here there is the fast charging, that with 10 minutes of charging, which allow to get 10 hours of usage. The new Nothing Air and Air E seems a great update from the Nothing Air 2 and the Air Stick respectively. Both new Air have premium specifications, certainly, as we have known the main difference from the Nothing Air 2 is the battery capacity. But going to the topic point, how much do they cost? Well, we'll be surprised that the price hasn't changed much. The high-quality Nothing Air will be priced at €150, or rather $150, the same price of the currently Nothing Air 2. Whereas the Nothing Air E will be priced €100 or $100, exactly €25 or dollar more than the affordable mid-range Air Stick. A little more expensive, but this price increase is justified by the many improvements made, and just having improved an already excellent product and kept an unbeatable price unchanged is truly surprising. Well, it's too alright guys. Stay tuned, be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, like the video, comment down below your truth about the new Nothing Air and Nothing Air A, and huge thanks for watching. See you again, next one.